Welcome to an epic 14-day northern Vietnam motorcycle adventure. A journey from Hanoi across the wild northwest to the far eastern borderlands, and back through some of the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth. We began by leaving Hanoi behind, trading city streets for the quiet charm of Long Coc Tea Hills and the mountain paths of Vinh Ho, where rolling green fields stretched to the horizon. From there, the road carried us into Tram Tao, and soon the mighty climb to Ta Xua Peak through hidden villages like Su Vai and Dien Bien Phu, where mist, ridges, and endless skies tested both rider and machine. The journey pressed on to Ngoc Chien, a valley of hot springs and wooden stilt houses, reached via the terraced mountains of Mu Song Chai. Riding deeper west, we entered Dien Bien Phu, a land etched with history, and continued through Tuan Giao and Nguyen Lei, crossing rugged mountains before the road finally led us to Sapa. Here, nestled among misty peaks, we explored hidden off-road trails and the charm of nearby villages. From Sapa, our wheels rolled into Bac Ha, with its vibrant hill tribe culture. Before tracing the winding paths to Ha Giang, the very heart of Vietnam's adventure riding. Single tracks, rice terraces, and high mountain passes brought us to Dong Phan, where the land is as dramatic as it is unforgettable. Then came the legendary Ma Pi Leng Pass, twisting above the No Kay River on the way to Bao Lac and Cao Vai, where cliffs and valleys meet in spectacular harmony. The journey eastward revealed the power of Ban Gioc Waterfall, one of the most magnificent natural wonders on the Vietnam-China border. And as all great adventures do, ours came to a peaceful close at Ma Pi Leng. Surrounded by emerald waters and limestone cliffs, we took a boat across the lake, swam beneath the open sky, and let the memories settle in. Finally, the road brought us back to Hanoi, carrying not just the dust of the journey, but stories we will never forget. This wasn't just a motorbike tour. It was 2 weeks of challenges, triumphs, landscapes, and connections. A journey through the very soul of northern Vietnam.